Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1036 code indicates an abnormality in the IG1 power supply circuit, affecting the vehicle's body control module. The body control module is responsible for receiving signals related to the ignition IG status, which primarily comes from the gauge control module. If there's a discrepancy between the IG1 signal input and the IG1 signal provided by the gauge control module over a designated time, the body control module registers this as a fault and stores the DTC B1036. This malfunction can impact several systems dependent on the IG1 power supply, including the vehicle's electrical lighting systems and other body electronics. Understanding the relationship between the body control module and gauge control module is essential when addressing this issue. Diagnosing this error will require careful inspection of the electrical circuits associated with these components. The DTC B1036 indicates the malfunction of the IG1 power supply circuit, which requires the evaluation of two primary components: the body control module and the gauge control module. The body control module is typically located near the vehicle's dashboard and is integral for managing various electronic functions, relying on accurate input from the gauge control module for its operation. The gauge control module, also positioned in proximity to the dashboard, monitors and reports ignition signal statuses. This interaction is crucial. Any variance between the signals from these components prompts the body control module to flag the DTC. Correctly diagnosing this error is essential for restoring normal functionality to the vehicle's electronic features, as the body control module plays a central role in vehicle electrical systems. The causes of DTC B1036 can be attributed to several factors that inhibit proper communication between the body control module and gauge control module. A faulty body control module may misinterpret or fail to receive the correct IG1 signals, thus registering the malfunction. Similarly, a malfunction within the gauge control module itself can lead to incorrect signal output. Wiring issues within the IG1 meter circuit may also result in disrupted communication, such as broken connections, shorts, or corrosion at contact points, making it essential to inspect the electrical integrity of the wiring. Properly diagnosing each possible cause is crucial, as overlooking a faulty component can result in unnecessary replacements, increasing repair costs. When DTC B1036 is present, several symptoms may arise due to the connection between the body control module and the gauge control module. One prominent symptom includes warning lights appearing on the dashboard, signaling a potential electrical issue to the driver. Additionally, there may be widespread malfunctions within various lighting systems, such as headlamps or interior lights, which rely on signals from the body control module. Inconsistencies in gauge readings are also likely, as the gauge control module struggles to provide accurate information to the body control module under faulty conditions. Recognizing these symptoms is critical for drivers and technicians alike, as it aids in identifying the underlying issues promptly. The first troubleshooting step for DTC B1036 involves powering on the vehicle and allowing it to remain in the on mode for at least 6 seconds. This step is crucial, as it ensures that the body control module has the necessary time to receive and process the ignition signal. By observing the vehicle in this state, technicians can assess the system's response to the ignition signal and determine if the DTC persists. It's important to allow this time, as immediate checks may not provide a complete picture of the electrical communication status between the relevant components. This preliminary action sets the stage for further diagnostics by confirming the initial presence of the DTC. In the second troubleshooting step, technicians are required to conduct a detailed inspection of the IG1 meter circuit, particularly focusing on the gauge control module's connector A32P. This connector plays a vital role in transmitting the IG1 signals from the gauge control module to the body control module. Disconnection of this connector is necessary for an accurate circuit inspection, allowing for a thorough check of the female terminals for both continuity and voltage. If the circuit is found underperforming, or if voltage readings deviate from the expected 12-volt threshold when the system is on, this could indicate an issue within the external circuit. Therefore, resolving any identified discrepancies is essential to ensure proper functionality and to eliminate the possibility of false DTC readings. After addressing the issues related to DTC B1036, it's vital to perform a final repair verification. This includes clearing the DTCs from the body control module to reset the system. Following this, the technician should test the vehicle's operations to confirm that the repairs have restored normal functionality to the IG1 meter circuit. This assessment can involve checking all related systems, including dashboard lighting and gauge accuracy, ensuring they are operating seamlessly. Conducting this verification is key to establishing that the previous faults have been resolved, preventing premature reoccurrence of the DTC. A successful verification process not only assures the technician of a job well done, but also provides peace of mind to the vehicle owner. To avoid future occurrences of DTC B1036, implementing regular preventive maintenance on the vehicle's electrical systems is paramount. This maintenance should include routine inspections of all electrical connections, focusing on cleaners and corrosion prevention for connectors and terminals. Ensuring that connection points are securely fastened and free of debris will aid in preserving brilliant signal transductions necessary for reliable vehicle function. Routine checks can help preemptively identify potential fault sources before they escalate into more significant issues. Developing a proactive approach to maintaining these electrical systems contributes to the overall longevity and dependability of the vehicle. In summary, DTC B1036 reveals vital insights regarding the IG1 power supply circuit, emphasizing the importance of a granular inspection of both the body control module and the gauge control module. Recognizing the possible causes, such as wiring malfunctions or faulty modules, paves the way towards efficient diagnostics. Symptoms like dashboard warning lights and gauge inconsistencies serve as important indicators of underlying issues. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps methodically and performing thorough inspections, technicians can effectively pinpoint and address the root causes of this DTC. Collectively, these measures not only ensure timely repair, but significantly enhance the reliability of the vehicle's electrical systems. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.